Here I have XIAOMI Redmi A1 Plus, and today I'm going to show you how to enable TalkBack feature on this device. So firstly you have to open settings, then you have to go to the additional settings, and then go to the accessibility section. Then switch to vision, and then go to the TalkBack. So here you have to enable use TalkBack, and after that TalkBack tutorial starts.
Welcome to TalkBack, page 1 of 5. TalkBack is a screen reader intended for situations or people who have difficult. Next button. Welcome to TalkBack.
Okay, so
Next button.
basically I'm gonna explain you it like much faster. So basically TalkBack is a feature meant for people with blindness or some other vision problems who have difficulties seeing text on the screen, and it works the way that when you tap on any section of the screen with some text, this text will be spoken out loud. So for example, if you want to perform any action, you tap on close
button, double tap to activate.
It's being spoken out loud, and to confirm it you double tap on the screen anywhere, close, then double tap anywhere.
Back button.
So you select TalkBack,
TalkBack on, switch in list. Double tap to activate.
so if you want to disable TalkBack, you select it here, double tap,
Stop TalkBack.
stop, double tap,
TalkBack off.
and that's how you can disable it. And yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.